girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, February 15th, and outside feels like Arctic. I don't know where you're at in the country, but I'm in Kansas, and for sure it's not as bad as some of the northern states are getting it, but right now outside it's -9 and feels -31. How is this safe? I feel like this is dangerous, and the fact that, like, I don't know, I just feel like we're in danger and no one cares. I'm in danger. And on top of that, sidebar from the Lord SESSHY, we'll get to this in a minute, but our building is like a super like energy saving building. It's called a LEED. I don't know what it means. It's super green and good for the environment, which is awesome. However, it's so overwhelmed. Our heater keeps like getting on standby mode, like freezing over. We have to have space heaters to warm the space, and then they're blowing the fuses. The whole building is in a tizzy. So I'm pretty sure that this is definitely the apocalypse. I mean, it makes sense. It feels very biblical. Which I guess means that Lord SESSHY Boy may be the last cosplay I ever make, so we gotta make this one count. Thank you to everybody who has been following along on the progress on Patreon. On the Extra Squad tier, I put like detailed build blogs as I go, and we are having our best month ever in that tier, so it's really awesome to see so many people interested in the process of the things that I do the build of. Here on YouTube, I typically do like showcase videos once I'm done with the build. If you check out my Vex and Soren, all the past ones, Vigar, where I just kind of tell you tidbits about the building and blah, 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 and overall just show you the details of it. With Lord SESSHY Boy, I figured we'd do something a little different. So instead of waiting until it's all done to do the video, I'm just gonna do several sort of like progress vlogs. Typically, I only have like photos of the work that I'm doing, but for this one, I set up my OBS in record mode, and over the weekend, while it's been snowing, I've been sewing, and I recorded myself working on the things, and that way I'm gonna speed it up and let you guys see the process, and I'll talk a little bit about the finer details and what the plan is and what we've done so far. Ready? Let's go. Not gotten to the foam parts yet, but I am working in partnership with TNT Cosplay Supply, so there will be an affiliate link down below that if you are going to buy foam or foam accessories from them, make sure to use that link. It would help a ton. not have an iron for the longest time. I lost it in the move, and then the roads are covered in like 1,000,000 foot of ice, so I can't drive to my parents or to the store to get an iron. And yesterday my buddy Sissa brought me an iron, so she's in the same building. So iron your seams. You'll notice in some of the video that my seams don't look ironed. Please don't be like, oh, I iron your seams, oh my god. Yes, always iron your seams. Do it. Do the thing. Unless you don't have an iron, and then do it later. But do it. Do the thing. Also, this shouldn't need to be said, but let's just get this out of the way now. This Lord SESSHY boy is a gender bend, and I'm taking some creative liberties because that's what I like to do. I like to reimagine characters. So I'm going to be staying pretty close to the concept art, but I am reimagining Lord Sesshomaru as Lady Sesshomaru. So please hold any comments that are like, that's not right, that's not One of the things I will be doing actually today is cutting out part of the shoulder to inlay the red fabric, and then the designs that you see on the shoulder and on the sleeves, I'll be using my Cricut maker to put those on there. Oh wait, we almost forgot about Moko. I'm pretty pumped about this piece, although I'm not really sure how I'm going to be attaching it yet, just because I don't know how I'm gonna attach it, but it doesn't stay on super easy like the way it is. Like, it's not gonna sit without me holding it. So I think that we're gonna put some little straps, little white straps, and then little snaps on the collar of this bad boy. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It really means the world to me. I say that every time, but it's true every time. Smash subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I do new videos. And like I said, drop a comment below and chit chat with me about what you thought about this video, if you like kind of like the journey vlogs. If you want to see more in-depth like detail photos and text, the Extra Squad tier on my Patreon is where all of my like build blogs and work in progress stuff goes. But also this month on the Stuff Squad tier, which is a tier that gets exclusive merch. Like in the past, it's been my calendars. My Witcher photo book is getting a Faye Valentine photo book this month, and I just reshot Faye with Samfo images, and we did some lifestyle Faye stuff too that I'm really excited about. This week on stream, I'll be working on that book. There are only 10 spots available if you want one, so dive into that tier before they're all gone. But yeah, thank you so much again. Have a great Monday, pals. I'll see you live tomorrow on Twitch, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.